Hi, my name is Carter Schott. I am a master's student, and I'm also an affiliate of the Disability Design Studio. I am the inventor of Soul. Soul is a visibility light that attaches to the back of a wheelchair for people with limited arm range of motion. It has two different modes. One is a flashing mode, which you can see here, which can be used in outside areas such as like crowded areas, crossing the street, or even a dark setting such as a parking garage. And so what Soul does is that it raises your level of visibility on your wheelchair so that people can see you over the hood of a car or just crossing the street in general, so you don't have to run the risk of anything happening to you. We also have a always on mode, which can be useful within a classroom setting. Due to a limited arm range of motion, it's hard for a professor or a teacher to realize that you're trying to ask or answer a question. So you can easily just flip on the Soul light and it can act as you raising your hand to give you more of a voice and more independence within a classroom setting. Soul has two LEDs and it is frosted at the top, featuring a Braille logo. It also has a switch housing, which uses a 3-position switch to flip between either the always on mode, the middle mode, which is off, and then all the way to the right is the flashing mode. It features a battery pack for manual wheelchairs since they don't have onboard batteries such as power wheelchairs, and this can even be pushed onto other things such as scooters or other mobility devices since it just runs off of a simple battery pack. I have worked within the Disability Design Studio with about 7 other students, which is made up of graphic designers, industrial designers, and even a kinesiology major. And we have iterated on this design for about a year now.
The Disability Design Studio is a support system to help students, faculty, staff. Everything we design is made up of a team of designers and developers that have disabilities themselves. Visible, non-visible, physical, cognitive. We're a diverse bunch. By integrating and bringing people to the table that have all this diverse experience and skills, they solve problems differently. And we get something remarkable.
We believe in user-centered design, so throughout our process we have changed up the logo, even the light ring design, and reached out to the disability communities, gathered over 500 plus surveys from around the world, gathering feedback on people's different disabilities and what they use in their day-to-day life for mobility needs, and took all of those considerations into our design so that we can make our device adaptable for each and every disability.
Through tactile graphics, through color, form, what we surround ourselves with it can actually add to functionality. It can be more welcoming, it can destigmatize. We looked at colors, we looked at aesthetics, we integrated Braille, and we helped this young engineer refine.
Currently, we have 30 units that we plan on donating to our campus's Disability Resources building so that they can distribute them all across campus to other wheelchair users so that they can use it within their day-to-day life and in the classroom. Some further iterations that we are taking into mind currently is having different colored LEDs, such as red LED, in order to signify that you're having an emergency or you really need attention at that moment.
With CAD, with access to industrial designers, graphic designers, kinesiologists, we can develop design solutions in real time for real people as never before. So this is an exciting time. So there shouldn't be a problem we as a village cannot tackle.
I think that this is really important just to empower individuals with disabilities in order to show them that you can have a voice within your day-to-day life and not let it be a factor that plays into you deciding whether or not you're going to go to class one day or just whether or not you're going to navigate an outdoor space. I want you to feel confident, empowered, and independent in your day-to-day life.